Alright guys, welcome to this channel, and today on this channel I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money in Nigeria. Let me say at no limit with just 200 naira. Now when you do that, you make money, and Jesus said when he was going, he said, go into the world and preach the gospel. All right, when you recommend this application to other people as well, you make money from it, and you using my link in the description below will get you the 1,000 naira that is going to be given to you. All right, and all of these things you are using just 200 naira, and you need your ATM card and your BVN. But wait, I know you are scared, like, oh, why they need for your BVN, why they need for your BVN, and why they need for your ATM card. All right, but let me just log into my account and show you something. All right, so this application you are going to be using, the application is called Bigvest, and I'm very sure you might have heard about it, but you never take cognizance of it. Okay, so let me just log in with my 9833 then my password, if I still remember. No. All right, saying. So let me just log in with my fingerprint. Oh, no, incorrect number. Then I think 07313731. You don't have the number. I don't actually. All right, so let's just log in using the website. All right, so instead of email, that will be, then my password should be all right, so as you can see here in my dashboard, I have over 63,000 naira in my dashboard, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, this application is safe, and let me tell you, this application is owned by Wema Bank. All right, so I believe you all know Wema Bank in Nigeria, and even if you are not in Nigeria and you want to make use of this, well, I'm not really sure for outsiders, but here in Nigeria this is actually working. All right, so I have 50,000 naira here, and I have 13,000 naira in the other account. All right, so I'm just going to show you my transaction, so you can be well assured that this account is safe. As you can see, I have made a lot of transactions, receive a lot of money. So let me click on view more transaction. All right, as you can see, a lot of transaction has been performed on this application. So I'm just showing you all of this, not because for you to see how much I have in my account, in the account or stuff. I just want to show you how safe your account, your BVN, your ATM card is when you register on this account. All right, so for you to sign up on this app, all you have to do is the first link in the description below. Please click on it. All right, so let's get on how you can make money. All right, but before we go on, okay, so if you have not hit the subscribe button on this channel, please do that right now, and also the notification bell, don't forget to click on it, so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you that Jasmine has uploaded a new video. All right, so let's get started. Now I'm just going to be using the application. All right, the Piggyvest app. As you can see here, when you come on board, so let me just click on it, clear it off, then we start all over. All right, so Piggyvest. Now when you download the application or click the link in my description, it's going to take you to a website actually, but the same thing you are going to be seeing on the website is what you are going to be seeing here. All right, so now when you want to register, please, the name of the bank you want to use, make sure you have a card, either a Verve, a Visa, or MasterCard. Either of the three will work. All right, the name on that MasterCard, on that bank account, should be the name you are registering on Piggyvest. All right, so I'm just going to click on Ayla, then I'm going to type in a Gmail, then my phone number 09033923293, then you choose a password. So I'm just going to type in a random password. Then this referral promo will be filled in already if you click on my link. Now the reason why you should use my link is this: if you just go on and register, you will not get the first bonus 1,000 which will be given to you. All right, so, and I'm very sure you want that, so use my link, and the referral code we will put in already by itself. So this is the referral code. You can just copy it as well if you want it, if you want to type it, but you should use the link so that it will put in there, type it there itself. All right, how do you, from a friend, family, or co-worker referral? So you click on create account. Okay, the number is already in use, so let me use another number, 23880970. Don't forget, I have my account already. I'm just creating this account for fun. All right, so registration successful, user registered, let us get started. So you click on that. I'm not going to save password. Now this is your account and you are logged in. All right, now it's asking you to complete your setup, so you click on it. The first thing is you are going to add a withdrawal account. Now you are going to add your bank account to it. Okay, so you just enter your, I've already registered my account, so let me just say, okay, let me copy my alert, let me copy this account and put it there, and let's see if it works. All right, so I'm just going to copy it. It's also for paste, then select a bank, Wema Bank. Let me see if it's going to verify the account. All right, so that's actually, now can you see approve or completed successful? So that one is that I've okay, it's asking me to type in my password. I'm just going to do that. All right, bank details insert successful. That's number one thing. Now you verify your email. Let's click on it, and it's going to ask me to verify my email. All right, so send verification. Okay, so I'm just going to log in to my Gmail and verify the stuff that was sent to me. All right, so just my graphics. All right, this is the message in my Gmail. I'm just going to click on this link and it's going to verify my account. Awesome, so that is that. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is add your BVN or NIN. Thank God, even now it's showing NIN. When I wanted to register, it was only showing what's called use BVN. All right, so you can just click on the on either of the two, then go on and complete sign up. Then you can add your what's it called, debit card. Then here, this is where you are going to be needing the 200 naira that I talked about. Once you click on redeem your bonus, 1000 naira bonus, is going to debit 1000, as you can see, 100 naira from your account. And don't worry, you still have access to withdraw your money. So you are not actually giving them, but this is an avenue for you to confirm your card. All right, so you just click on this and you add your card. They will deduct that 100 naira. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing that. I'll just no flex account, no BVN connected. Okay, that is why it's not showing. You understand? So you ought to have connect your BVN to it and everything will be there. So make sure you connect your BVN, you complete the registration, all the sign up. As you can see, these are the things you have to do. Connect, verify your BVN, verify your email address. I've verified this. Let me refresh. That should not be showing verify again. Let me just log out, then log in again. All right, can you see the verify email address has been cleared? So all you have to do is complete all of this stuff and your money will be there immediately. All right, so how do you make more money after doing all of this? Now this, all you have to do is go click on accounts, then you're going to click on share. So for each person that use your link to sign up, you are going to be getting, as you can see, refer and earn 1000. So that is this for each person that uses your link to sign up. And you can post this on your WhatsApp status, on Facebook, and tell them how they can also make money with this, or refer them to come and watch this video, but let them know they should use your link, not my link. You understand? So that is how you make money from this, and you are beautiful. For each person you referred, you get 1000 naira, and they also get 1000 naira. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below and get started. If there's anything or you are encountering any problem while registering, let me know. And the second link in this description below will take you to my WhatsApp directly. Message me on WhatsApp and let me know the problem you are facing. All right, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video.